I wanted to take a minute today to talk to you about the new function we have in your Slack plugin. So if you go to GitHub repo, you can see we have a Slack plugin. We had already version 0.0.1 and we created version 0.0.2. Basically what it does, it asks this function, this template, post to channel. The main difference with the previous one is instead of using a webhook URL that you have to pre-create into your system, you can send something by passing, the name of the channel or the email address of a user. So how do you use it? So you can go to your workflow, and here I have my code. As you can see, I'm referencing the new version and in my new template. I'm passing the Slack channel, so in this case, my private Slack, and then I'm giving it, a message and using some of the parameters. I have a token to basically be able to authenticate to the system, and optionally, I can change the log level to see, more information on what's happening. So let's go look at the execution. So here I have my Slack channel. As you can see, I'm passing the same parameter. I have a log with not too much information because I'm using the default setting. And then if we go to Slack, you can see I have a message that has been sent with the info I passed. The next iteration will add an option to add Slack attachment as well. So stay tuned for more. Thank you.